There are two options when it comes to base. I like this like base, the flat one, because I could move this anywhere I want, but there's an option to like clamp it too. If you have no space for the base, or if you think like this clamp is better, then there is that option too, to either clamp or to use this base. The arms are adjustable. You could adjust it anywhere you want it to go, and there is this like knob to tighten it. And then so this is very easy to operate too. So just like, I'll show you the here. Only 4 buttons. So you have the power on, and then you have the different like kind of like modes. I think there are like 5 different modes, and then you could adjust the brightness too. So if you want it like more bright or like not as bright. So very easy. I'll show you how it magnifies like up close. You can see the difference between that part and then the magnified like portion. So this magnifies up to 12 times. You might think that there is no need for a magnifying glass, but in reality, it is really nice to have in every home, because you don't know when, for example, your jewelry is going to be like tangled up like this, and I could not like fix it. So with a magnifying glass, it will be easier to like remove or to untangle, or like to fix, like if you have like, or if you are into jewelry making, for example, I want to attach this or detach, then it's really easy to do it with a magnifying glass. This was given to me by this company, Noevsbig, and I find it really helpful. And so like, for example, if you are into cross stitching, I used to do cross stitching long time ago when I was in the Philippines, but not anymore. I don't have time to do that. This magnifying glass has dual purpose. It could magnify up to 12 times, and also it has a light, and very easy to operate, and almost like ready to use. Like when you unbox it, it's almost ready to use. You just need to attach the base. And there are 2 options too when it comes to plugging onto a power source. You can either like plug it directly to a power source, or you can use a USB adapter like this one. This magnifying glass is super useful when you need to untangle a tangled jewelry, in like jewelry making, in crafting, when you need to like paint, like a really detailed like painting, when you need to read a super tiny print. This is super useful too. This has many uses, and I highly recommend this. This is the brand